Dr. Twisin said that it looks stabilized, but it's not going down yet. Today, Thailand records 171 new cases, and that makes the total to over 12,500 cases. And if we count only the new outbreak, the total figure is now 8,357. And among the 171 new cases today, the majority are locally transmitted, and 13 of them are imported cases. Spokesperson of CCSA today, Dr. Twisin Wisnuyotin, said that there are 3,168 people receiving treatment, while 9,336 have already recovered. He said that the rate of infections is stabilizing but not yet falling, and most new infections are being discovered through proactive screening. Of course, Samut Sakhon is still the province with the highest number of cases recorded, mostly among immigrant workers. The total number of the infections in the province since the new outbreak began is now over 4,600, followed by Chonburi at 647, Bangkok at 606, and Rayong at 568 cases. There are still 16 provinces with no infections being reported. And there are 31 provinces which have seen no new COVID-19 cases in the past 14 days. So they are heading into the right direction. Dr. Twisin focused on the situation in Samut Sakhon, saying that the more proactive they are, the more cases they find. Officials now aim to screen 600 factories per day. That is a big number, at 50 people per factory, hopefully covering all factories by the end of the month. So talking about number of factories in Samut Sakhon, we are talking about tens of thousands of factories here. But most of them are small. And when we talk about small, we talk about less than 100 workers. CCSA spokesperson asked the factory's owner not to worry and to cooperate, because the Labor Ministry has already announced that any workers entering Thailand legally or not, who have been in Thailand since before December 29th, are now allowed to work legally. Dr. Twisin said that the situation in Bangkok is, however, worrisome. The area in which most cases are being found is in the west of the capital and related to night entertainment venues and possibly connected to the outbreak in Samut Sakhon province. He also mentioned the southern provinces bordering Malaysia, which are recording thousands of new cases daily. He said that the area has to depend on health volunteers and local public health officials being vigilant. And he also asked the local to be vigilant. He said, if you see any new faces in the neighborhood, just make sure let the official know. Regarding the tracing application, Chana, he praised the businesses that received 4.9 star reviews from the application's users, with convenience stores topping the scores over the types of other business. The application has now been downloaded almost 8 million times and has about 6.54 million registered users. So in proportion, when this first started out, it looked like not much people. I mean, a lot of people downloaded, but not much people using it. But now we can see that a lot more people are using the application. Dr. Twisin also reiterated the Prime Minister's message yesterday that the government will wait until they are sure the vaccine is safe before they start the inoculation.